Hello friends, this is Hitendra Soneji once again welcoming you for a new learning. Now in today's learning, it is in the form of a story. Hope you all will enjoy this story.
For latest updates, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.
It is temptation. It is on temptation. So temptation is the root cause of unhappiness. So I'll just tell you one story on this. A beggar would chant God's name all day. There was a beggar who used to chant a God's name all the day. So one day God manifested before the beggar and asked him to name his wish. The beggar wished for gold coins. God asked him, where would you collect them in? The beggar put forward his sack. Before pouring gold coins into the sack, God said, I will give you gold coins till you say enough. But on one condition, the gold coins should not fall to the ground. If they do so, they will turn into dust. That was the condition of the God. The beggar accepted it, the condition. So gold coins immediately started to rain into the sack of the beggar. The sack began to fill up gradually, but the beggar could not control his extreme greed for wealth. That was for the gold. So now with the weight of the coins, the sack began to burst at its seams. Despite realizing this, the beggar did not say enough. Finally, the inevitable happened. The sack tore open and all the coins fell to the ground and turned into dust. The beggar's discontentment, that is lack of satisfaction, led to his downfall. Did you know where the beggar went wrong? His greed made him discontent with the sacks full of gold coins. By wishing for more, he lost everything and became unhappy. If you always want to be happy, then develop an attitude of contentment. Now, the question is, how to develop the attitude of contentment? Now, do not fall prey to extreme greed for wealth or material gain. Remember this. Remember this. And remember that the amenities you have are the God's grace. And remain content in whatever you have today. But in today's world, the needs of all persons are growing. They are introduced to new gadgets through TV advertisements and feel like owning every single thing. People want new clothes, shoes, car, mobile phones, big house, more money, etc., 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 even when they do not need them. If they are not able to get these things, many of them become unhappy. Sometimes, despite getting what they want, their desire to get the next best gadget continues. And it so on, it goes on, goes on. If you have one thing, then you will wish for some another thing. So it goes on. So at such times, remember that the gadgets or amenities you have are due to God's grace. Offer gratitude to His holy feet. This will keep your mind content. So always be thankful to the God for whatever He has given to you. Be happy, be content. Be satisfied. Thank you.
For detailed learning of all logistics subjects, visit www.logiveda.com.